Hello guys, Rugbyman here. So today I'm going to talk about what motivates me through life and everything. So let's get into it. So the verse is Philippians 4 verse 13. It says, "Dis tot al in staat deur Jesus Christus wat my krag." So that means, in English, that means if you struggle with something, or you're sad, or you don't have the strength to do something, just remember Jesus gives you strength. That's what he does. And so that is what motivates me through life. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So see you in my next one.